Imagine a world where your favorite song doesn't just evoke emotions, but was entirely composed by an artificial intelligence. How does a machine, devoid of human experience, create something so inherently human as music? At its core, AI-generated music relies on deep learning algorithms, particularly neural networks, which are trained on vast databases of existing music. These neural networks analyze patterns, structures, and styles within the data to understand the components that make a melody pleasing or a rhythm catchy. AI models, such as OpenAI's MuseNet or Google's Magenta, can now compose music in various styles, from classical symphonies to modern pop tracks, by predicting the next note or chord in a sequence, mimicking the way human composers might build a piece. To illustrate, let's dive into the workings of OpenAI's MuseNet, a neural network that can compose complex musical pieces with up to 10 different instruments. MuseNet was trained on data from a wide range of musical genres and styles, from jazz to Beethoven, and it uses this diverse training data to generate music that sounds both familiar and innovative. When tasked with creating a new piece, MuseNet starts with a simple seed, a few notes or a chord progression, and builds on it, layer by layer, adding harmonies, rhythms, and complementary instrumental parts. The result can be a fully fleshed out composition that sounds strikingly human. Consider a practical scenario where a film director needs a unique score for their movie. Traditionally, this would involve hiring a composer, who might take weeks or months to craft the perfect soundtrack. With AI, the director can input parameters like mood, tempo, and instrumentation into a model like AIVA, a music composing AI. AIVA then generates a piece that fits the director's requirements in a fraction of the time. This not only speeds up the creative process, but also makes it more accessible, as emerging filmmakers might not have the budget to hire renowned composers. Moreover, AI's ability to generate music isn't just limited to creating entirely new compositions. It can also assist in the creative process of human musicians. Platforms like Amper Music provide tools for artists to collaborate with AI, offering AI-generated suggestions that can inspire new directions or variations in the music-making process. This symbiotic relationship between human and machine creativity can push the boundaries of what we consider possible in music production. The implications of AI-generated music are profound and multifaceted. On one hand, it democratizes music creation, allowing individuals without formal musical training to produce professional quality compositions. On the other, it raises questions about authorship and originality. If an AI composes a song, who owns the rights? Is it the developer of the AI, the user who input the parameters, or the AI itself? Moreover, as AI becomes more adept at creating music, there is a potential risk of diminishing the value of human musicianship and creativity if AI-generated tracks flood the market. Looking to the future, AI has the potential to transform the music industry in ways we are only beginning to understand. It can act as a co-creator, enhancing the creative process and expanding the horizons of musical exploration. However, it is crucial to navigate these advancements with a sense of balance, ensuring that the human touch remains at the heart of music, preserving its role as an essential form of human expression and connection. As AI continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to observe how it reshapes the landscape of music and the arts, challenging us to reconsider what it means to be creative. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on technology and creativity. See you in the next one.